Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. I'm going to apologize in advance because my mic just broke. I'm using my computer mic, so it might sound a little fuzzy. But I really wanted to get this video out because I've been getting a lot of questions and I wanted to make sure that I share with you guys the process and help you with where you're struggling. So I want to talk about DraftKings and how I was able to take a swing trade, add to my position through a day trade, and have a massive winner. So if you're ready, let's step into the war zone. So the first thing, DraftKings came to my attention when it had this weekly inside bar close. And at the time, DraftKings looked like this. And what I was looking for was we're pushing back towards all-time highs, and we had a few trap shorts. So that was why DraftKings came on my attention for a swing trade. So in the swing room, guys, what I did was I called out the potential entry and exit. I posted it on January 24th for everyone, which was the Sunday when this bar had closed. So what we did there was the entry was 54.29, stop 51.43. So the next week, what happened with DraftKings is it pushed down, then it turned back up and filled us. And then this week, it just exploded. So we've already hit a lot of targets on DraftKings on the way up. But what I did today from a day trading perspective, so you guys know for what I do with the day trading, I do that for free. So let me show you guys what I did with the day trading. So yesterday, DraftKings showed up on my scanner as a daily bar close, right? So every day, I go through the scanner and I find the top stocks with daily bar closes that I'm interested in. So DraftKings had closed with a daily inside bar close. So how does that look? Let's go to the daily chart. So that's how DraftKings looked yesterday. So what I did was today, when the market opened, I noticed that we were gapping up on DraftKings. And because of that, I was looking to get in long. So one of the techniques that I use is the Fibonacci, right? So I took the Fibonacci from the closing bars high. I pulled it up to the first 5-minute bars high right there where we started pulling back. And then I just went long on the 50 and my stop was below the 786. And when I look back over here, I actually got filled on this bar and it looked kind of scary, but I was very confident with my Fibonacci's on DraftKings because I've been testing them and trading them for a while. So I got in there and I sat through all of this. And my game plan was, okay, if we just hold this area, we will eventually close at the highs because DraftKings is very bullish and is looking to break all-time highs. So what I did today was once we closed at the highs of the day, I took off 80% of my swing trade and 80% of my day trade. So what I did was I started off my swing trade, I added here on this day trade, and then I covered 80% of everything at the close. And the reason why is because I want to cover some profits, but also still hold something. And if we look at DraftKings now, there's a lot of room to go higher, but there can also be some resistance when we break through all-time highs. So that's why I'm being a little bit conservative and locking in some profits to pay myself. And then the rest of this position, I'm going to let it ride into the sunset. All right. So check me out, guys. Every day in the evening, I post these free stock picks that you can look at the next day and day trade. And then you can use any one of my pinned tweet strategies, my opening range breakout, fibs, inside bars to take these day trades, okay? And if you're interested in the swing trading, then please check out my private room, and that's on my website, all right? Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your night.